So tonight, if you want to drive by, it should look pretty nice.
I think they're on.
All right.
No, they're on.
What we want to do is something a little bit different.
Pretty sure they're not on.
Something a little different. We can't carry the winter torch or anything else. So we wanted to get the spirit of everybody here. So I've asked everybody to write down wishes that they wanted for themselves, something and success in their life, and for their family. So what we're going to ask you to do is you feel comfortable. All you do is come over, put it in the fire. It's private between you. But hopefully the warmth will be shared with everybody and what you're wishing for will come true. Alright? Don't be afraid to dream of big things. Don't be afraid to ask for things for your family and your children.
Lights don't show up very good, do they? Did you fill out a piece of paper? Huh?
I see it lit up in the truck. Just pictures. I was out for a while for the last Throw it in the pail,
Amen. Oh,